She wanna know me. I stay low key, all gas, no brakes, baby.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a unboxing here. I purchased some items from mystickrylix, which is Sugared Eclipse. It's her brand. So she came out with some Valentine's goodies, so I made a purchase. So yes, this box is just absolutely adorable. I love it. So I'm gonna go ahead and open it. I haven't even opened it. I just cut the tape, you know, so I could just open it real quick here. Oh, look how cute. Look at this, how sparkly and gorgeous. So it says, thank you for supporting my small business. Sondra, thank you so much for supporting my business and showing mad love. Hope you love everything. You're the best. Sugar E. Super cute. Oops. Alright, so how cute. So I see some stickers.
These are adorable. Look how cute that is. I love it. Oh, that's super cute. And then that's her little logo there. Super, super cute.
Alright, so we're going to go ahead and get this opened. Oh, yum. Strawberry lemonade. Ooh, I can't wait to eat that. That is super cute. Alright, so let's see. This is super cute little packaging here. Yes, make sure you go check her out. She's absolutely amazing. She does lives every Sunday, and they're always so much fun. I don't know if you can hear that. My laptop's right here, and it's like the fan's on. Sorry, I don't know if you can hear that or not. Oh yes, these are the charms. She actually made these charms. And get the little spoon. I just love the little spoon. It's so cute. So yes, she makes these charms. Oh, they look so cute, and they actually glow in the dark. Oh my gosh, look how cute these are. Yeah, and I ordered the 18. So there's different sizes, but they are roses and hearts, like heart roses. Look how pretty. That is so cute. So yes, they do glow. I'll have to show, insert a picture of them glowing, but God, they're so pretty. Can't wait to use those. And then she sent some glitter. That was nice. Look at that, how gorgeous that is. And then she sent a little foil here. That was nice, thank you. Oh, that's cute, little Dior foil, super cute. Let's see what's in here. This bag is so cute. Oh, I love it. So yeah, she has a bunch of acrylics too that she just put out. So yeah, go check her out. Oh yes, this is, oh, her cuticle oils, you guys, are absolutely amazing. Sorry, I had to move that laptop. Her cuticle oils are, oh look at it matches. Oh my gosh, look. The ombre. Oh my god, that's so cute. Her cuticle oils are absolutely amazing. I mean, they're just the best. So I was excited for this scent, and it's a teddy bear little bottle. Oh my gosh, how cute. Okay, I wanted to order 2, but she had sold out. She sold out super quick. So when she restocks, because my daughter loves her oils too. Look at this. Are you freaking kidding me? Look at that. Oh my gosh. And I love the roller. These are my favorite. Oh, it smells so good. I think it's called Bombshell. Oh my gosh, you guys. It smells so good. My fingers are always so dry. Yeah, I absolutely love her cuticle oil. It's amazing. My daughter too, like I said, she loves it. Oh, this smells so good. And they're not like strong, oops, sorry. They're not like strong, overpowering like Oh, I have her little skull one here. Look how much I've used already. I use it all the time. And then I have her other one here. And then I have this one. Yeah, I cut the tip on accident opening the packaging. But look at, yeah, I have, and then the other skull one. Yeah, I have, they're amazing. So, yes, this one is just, look at that, how freaking cute. Alright, and then the last thing, yeah, I did order some tips. I love this packaging, it's so cute. There's like little diamonds in there. Oh, there's another. Wow, ooh, cotton candy. Oh yeah, my son will love that. Yeah, this is cute. It's, oh, look at the little diamonds on the bottom. How cute. Oh yes, I will be keeping all this. Let me just move that. So yes, I did order some tips. She has nail tips on her website now. I'm gonna have everything linked down below, her website and everything. Please check her out. She's amazing. She's super sweet. I got the 2XL Coffin Tips No C-Curve. Oh, these are nice. These look very nice. I know, too bad I have nails on, but let's see. This is the I don't know. I think this might be size. This might be size. Oh yeah, 0. Duh. That. Oh my gosh, you guys. Okay, yeah, these are nice. So no C curve. Yeah, these are nice. I like the shape. Look at that. Very nice. Yeah, like I said, I have nails on, but oh yeah, these are. Yeah, those are long. Look at that. Cool. Yes, I like them. I can't wait to, when I do some acrylics, I'm going to use them. Alright, so this is everything that I purchased, and then got some little goodies here. These charms are just, look at those. How gorgeous. Oh, I can't wait to use them. Like I said, the cuticle oil, absolutely amazing. Look at this, how cute. When she restocks, I hope she restocks, because I'm going to get at least 2 more, one for my daughter, and then I want to get another one for me. So yes, please go check out Sugared Eclipse Nails. I'm gonna have everything linked down below, her website. She does absolutely beautiful glitter mixes, acrylic mixes, so please go check her out, and thank you so much for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye.